Hey all, buddy, first time RVers. It has been a while, hasn't it? It's been a little over 2 months actually since we last camped, but we're at it again. It's right after Christmas here and we're going to... What the heck? So we're at Daddy Joe's at Tabor City and it is 75 degrees and beautiful out. I say beautiful, but actually it's gotten a little cloudy there. But we haven't had any rain, so. So like I said, it's been 2.5 months, but we are gonna be camping 2 more times this month. Well, going into February actually, but we're camping 3 times here in about 6 weeks. So we'll be back a few times, but anyways, so now that we're here, it's Friday, let's get started with a nice weekend of fun. But let me show you a little something here. So I know you've seen us cooking on the Blackstone plenty of times in our previous videos. Well, let me show you what happened on Christmas. There you have it. A new Blackstone, the 36-inch. Dawn and Maddie got it for me for Christmas. We decided to bring it camping. We're probably gonna leave it at home and go back to the smaller one for camping. It's just a little more convenient to carry. I mean, it fits perfect right here. But right now I'm seasoning it, getting it all nice and dark and black. You can see what it originates. It's hot, so I don't want to get close, but originally it's that light metallic color, and you basically want to get it dark like this. That way it won't rust as easy, and it's pretty much, it gets to be non-stick. So we're using high heat and a lot of oil to get that done. But we are excited to have the new 36-inch Blackstone. Like I said, we'll be using that at home. We won't be using it here camping much, but it does fold up and stuff. It's not really hard to get it into a position where you can bring it with you. Here's Dawn doing the Oculus. So let me just show you this VR. Oculus is addicting. Look at Dawn. She's been on it for a couple hours. It is really cool. I don't know if you've ever seen one, but it's really pretty neat. Virtual reality. I don't know if you hear the plane going overhead there. Got ourselves a fire going, having a couple drinks, enjoying some company with family. Well, good Saturday morning to everyone. It is, as you can see, a little below 50 degrees after 75 yesterday. But it will get up to 70 today. It's supposed to be sunny, so we're gonna have another great day. Sun's coming up. We're gonna get cooking on the Blackstone back there for breakfast. And then we're gonna enjoy the Saturday before New Year's. A little bit of fog out, but there you go, there's the sun rising. Got some potatoes and eggs and stuff ready to put on the new Blackstone for the first time. So we have some family camping with us. We got 3 campers going here. Us, of course. Sister and brother-in-law in there, Imagine. And then his sister and brother-in-law. They rented an RV to see if it's something they'd like to do. So we're gonna get breakfast going here. There we go. Cooking on the Blackstone. Some potatoes going. Corned beef hash going. We're gonna get the eggs on. So we just had breakfast and Maddie wanted to do some challenges. So we're gonna do a little challenge with her new Oculus VR that we got.
Oculus Go VR.
All right. I don't know if any of you have ever done this VR, but it's really, really cool. It's virtual reality for sure. So what are we gonna do?
We're gonna do like a scary one, and the rules are you have to have the volume all the way up. You have to have the strap on your head. You can't have it like this. And you can't take it off.
So you have to get through the whole scene?
Yeah, and if you take it off, you lose automatically.
Okay. Maddie's going first. Let's see how
No,
this goes.
Dad, you go first. He's going first back to get it ready.
Oh.
I'm going to download a new one so that we haven't done it, so like we don't know when it's gonna come. So I got Face Your Fears, and it's downloading right now. Should we do Killer View or Dead of Night?
You get to pick.
We have to do the same one, Dead of Night.
Okay, yeah, we gotta do the same one with each other. Are you gonna do it first, or am I gonna do it?
You're gonna do it first.
No, just dandy.
Okay, Dad.
Yeah.
I'm looking at 3 books: Light as a Feather, The Ghost, or Fun with Jingle. Let's do Fun with Jingle. Okay, you're gonna click Fun with Jingle.
And maybe we'll try to take the camera and stick it in here and just show you a quick 10-second as to what we're looking at. But basically,
okay, you have to click it with your right hand.
Let me get it.
So
Basically, wherever you look, you're inside. Like I'm laying in a bed here. So everywhere I look, I'm in a bedroom. I can see a nightstand beside me and then there's 3 books to choose from. What am I doing?
We're doing Fun with Jingle, I think it was called.
Okay. Oh, great. So
click this one. Okay, guys.
Oh my God. There's a flashlight. A clown just fell off the bookcase, and there's a flashlight on the floor. So I got a wall behind me, which is good to know. And okay. That's, oh my God, who that? No, the stupid Mom was walking around in the camper and the whole camper moved. It really made it feel like I was in something. Oh, okay, there's a bathroom door and another clown. Oh my God, it's the same clown. Now he's over here in the bathroom. Oh. Someone's beating up the clown in the toilet. I mean, Oh my God, I got goosebumps. I have goosebumps.
I can see him.
So there was like a kid with like red eyes that must have been playing with the...
Oh no.
It's nice. No, we got thunder and lightning. There's a... Okay, Jack in the Box. Oh, knives that just fell on the ground. Oh God, there's a... Oh, the clown's got a knife in his hand now. Oh. He just got pulled into the closet. Jesus. He just... Oh, God, great. He's under the bed. He's under the bed. Oh my God. Yeah, don't be afraid. There he is. Oh my God. All right. Oh my God, that's funny.
I don't think I could do this.
Ugh.
Oh my God. I'm scared. I'm really scared.
I mean, you're laying in a bed and something's making this clown doll. Keeps picking him up, moving him around. Oh,
or is that him?
Oh, I shouldn't be telling you what happened. That was stupid. Get on there.
Yay!
All right, Maddie's turn.
Oh my God, that scared me.
You guys get to tell us who's got scared the most.
No, it's gonna be me. Okay, there's 3 books in front of me. Oh my God, I can't do it. Wait.
It's so weird. Like, as I look at you with that thing on, I think I just see reality and her with that mask on. But yet, when you're in that mask, you're not actually looking at me. Like,
okay, I'm about to click the books. I'm about to click the book. Oh my God, Dad, I can't. Oh my God. Okay, I clicked it. There's a flashlight in the clown. Oh my God, oh my God.
I shouldn't have been describing it to you.
Oh my God, god, go away, go away. Oh my god. I don't want to look. I don't want to look.
You're doing the same one, right?
Yeah. Dad, oh my god.
It's the same. That I was just watching exactly the same, or if it does something different.
The basketball just fell. Dad!
Oh, the basketball rolls under the bed.
Shut up, shut up. He's not moving. Oh no. The door just shut. No. Oh my god. Dad, hold me, hold me, hold me. Where is he? Oh my god, he's right there. He's right in front of me.
It must be a little bit different.
He's literally just okay, now he's under the bed.
Yeah,
Wait.
it's a little different.
Oh no, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
You can always take the mask off.
Dad, stop. He's under the bed. Oh my god, he took the thing under the bed. Dad, please. I don't know where he is. Oh my god, he's by the closet. He has a knife. His head's off. Someone just took him in. Oh my god. Ah! No. He's just laying on the floor.
Take it off. You can give up. You can give up.
There's something in the closet watching me. He's still sitting beside me. I don't know what to look at.
Give up.
There's, oh my god, the person's crawling out of the closet.
Declare me the winner.
They went in the closet. I'm watching. Really? If you hurt me, I'm gonna stop you in the face and I'll cut your throat off with the knife you have.
Yeah, this is different when I did it.
Books aren't moving. The basketball is slowly moving. Don't fall. The flashlight is still on.
Take it off. You can. Was that it? So that was different.
The person in the closet slowly walked out and was next to me. And then as soon as I looked at the clown,
see, it was over there on mine. So they are a little bit different each time. That's good.
oh.
All right. So we both made it just as far. All right. Well, there you have it. Our first weekend in over 2 months. We finally got back to camping. Turned out to be a great weekend, although it is raining a little bit right now. It was in the 70s and was about 65 for a low last night. So it was beautiful for January. We kind of changed it up a little bit. Madison got that Oculus virtual reality thing. So we decided we would change up the video some and film us watching some of the VR. Maddie's back there sleeping. We're on our way home. But we will be back at it again in 12 or 13, well, maybe almost 3 weeks from now. A little less than 3 weeks from now, we'll be back at it. We're going to go down to Ocean Lakes and Myrtle Beach. So we'll probably see you again then. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe, share with your friends. Comment, tell us what you'd like to see. Tell us if you're enjoyed the little VR section there. Maybe we'll switch it up a little bit and do a little more than just camping videos. All right, well, as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.